So basically what I'm going to make is going to be 2 tires, a pipe to go through them, and then there's going to be 2 triangles coming off of it. And then the 2 triangles are going to be connected, which is going to be like a base for the timber. So then the timber would sit across that. And then I'll probably throw on some hooks or whatever. So if the timber's too big, I can throw a ratchet strap over the top of it. And that's pretty much it. Simple design. So yesterday I took the tube stock and the angle iron and I welded it. I didn't really have measurement to go off of. I just kind of picked a good wheelbase that I think would be wide enough to hold the timber and still be stable. So as you can see, I just did a couple welds on it. So I put the tire on and I wanted a little bit extra hanging out the side so I could cotter pin it or whatever so the tire doesn't fall off. The angle iron keeps the tires separated and keeps them from sliding down the rod. And it also gives me a flat surface to weld the tube to, which will go right out at 45 degrees easier than trying to get 45 off of a tube. So now that that's welded up, I'm going to weld on the tube stock at a 45 degree angle and make 2 triangles. Alright, so here's the 2 triangles. The short sides are 16 inches and the top one ended up being 23 inches. So now I'm going to weld these both up and then I'll be able to put it on the wheels. Alright, so here's the 2 triangles finished. Now time to weld them onto this piece. And you pretty much want it to look like that. I think I'm going to separate these 2 about 12 inches. Because that's going to be the biggest timber I'll probably use. So now I'm just going to put some angle iron on the side so that the timber doesn't fall off. Maybe one more piece in between the middle. Here's the finished product. It's got the angle iron on the top, the bar across the middle to hold the timber. So I'm just going to tack on some screws on the end until I feel like drilling holes for cotter pins. And then we'll give it a shot.